to my channel, Nelia Chrissy. Today, I'm going to make chili garlic oil. But first of all, I'm going to sterilize bottles first. You know why we sterilize these bottles? Para hindi siya umanis. I have here chili. I harvested chili on the front. And then I dried this in the sun for 1 day para hindi siya mag-produce ng water while I'm frying them. Tapos, 1/4 also na garlic, 1.5 gram na shallots. I have here star anise and cinnamon stick. We are going to fry this together with the chillies. I need black pepper. I'm going to clean this first before frying them. I cleaned already all my ingredients. Now, I'm going to fry them. Before frying my ingredients, I'm going to chop them first here on my manual chopper. I'm only going to chop them roughly, not too soft. Here it is, guys. Onions first. Yung chinap ko. Ito ang uunahin kong iluto, okay? I'm going to use half of this sunflower oil. At saka yung pagprito ng onions at saka garlic, hindi siya gaano sinusunog dito. Just light brown. Tapos, dito na yan kasi magba-brown sa labas. Kasi mainit pa siya. Nagiging more brown pa siya pagka inalis na sa apoy. Sa oil, I mean. After the shallots, I'm going to chop the garlic. Be very careful because it's very, very sharp. Chop also roughly. Ito siya, friends. Hindi rin siya gaanong soft. Pagka sa blender, soft siya masyado. Hindi na malalasahan yung garlic niya. Because we need a garlic chili oil. So, kailangan malasahan yung garlic. Pinunasan natin maigi yung chopper. So, maalis lahat ang mga remaining garlic and shallots on the blade and the chopper. Pati yang sa cover. Then, chop roughly. Ito na siya, friends. See, hindi rin soft. So, we start frying now. I use this white frying pan para makita niyo ang real color ng chili garlic oil later. So, I'm going to fry this first. Ito siya, guys. Inalis ko siya sa oil. Brown pa lang, light brown. So, dito siya naluto. Oh. Kaya pagka luto ng onions at saka garlic, kailangan light brown pa lang, inaalis na sa oil. Kagaya nito. Konti na lang, iaalis ko na ito. Ganito pa lang, dapat alisin na sa oil. Kasi naluluto pa siya masyado dito sa labas ng oil. Isunod na natin ang chili. Maganda kasi pagka mainit na mainit yung oil. Kaya lang kanina it went wrong. Umapaw yung mantika. Kasi hindi ko natansya. So, pagka nag-fry ng ganon, careful din. Ito na natin lalagyan ng star anise at saka cinnamon stick. Pagka naluto na yung chili, alisin din natin yung star anise. Lagyan natin ng pepper. At haluin palagi para hindi siya masunog. Hinaan natin ng apoy. I can add salt now. Add a little bit of oyster sauce to add the color. It's either oyster sauce or sweet soy sauce. Pagka wala kayong sweet soy sauce, so or oyster sauce na lang. Then, add about half cup of brown sugar. Hello, chili oil niya. Tapos mamaya, ibabalik natin ang garlic at saka yung onions. Yun na siya, guys. Look at the garlic, guys. Very crunchy. Ito na siya, guys. Look. The idea of putting star anise and cinnamon stick para yung strong aroma ng chili ma-neutralize ng star anise at saka cinnamon stick. Okay, ihalo na natin yung onions and the rest of the garlic later pagka cool down na yung oil niya. Then, ready to put here. Friends, here it is, my chili garlic oil. Tingnan nyo naman yan, yung mga crunchy garlic yung nasa itaas. Oh. They are really crunchy. Yan na yung puti na yan. At saka madami talaga siyang laman. Ang amoy niya, the aroma is really nice. Hindi siya chili, hindi mabahong chili, hindi mabahong garlicky. Na-neutralize kasi siya ng star anise at saka cinnamon stick. So, half-half lang yung amoy niya. Okay guys, tingnan nyo naman yung oil na yan. Look. Kita nyo yan, friends? Puro laman yan. Yan. Napakasarap niya. Thank you for watching. Bye!